Alright, fairing is off. Bike's on a jack. I bought this guy off of Amazon. Just a little 6-inch pan. It's kind of nice. It's got a little drain plug and another little drain there, and everything. It's kind of concaved in, so everything will drain to here. And so I'll loosen this. It'll drain, and then here's your oil filters, so I'll take this off and replace that. My bike is old and it leaks, and that's just the way it is. And hopefully this helps everybody. We'll do this first, and then we'll take this off, because I'd rather it drain than take this off, because if I take the oil filter off now, then I'm gonna have a really messy hand, so I'll just drain the oil right now. So I'll be right back. Is that a 10 or 12? It's neither a 10 or 12. I think this is too big. Metrics. This looks too small too. This has to be it. Yep. Alright, so that's 17 millimeter. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And this is the first time I've used jack stands, so I'm being cautious. I need a bigger lever arm here. Is that mine? 17 millimeter? It is. That stinks. Only 17 millimeter. Okay. So in my kit, I have this thing. This is the kit that came with the bike, so that's not it. I wonder if this is interesting. Alright. Just gives me more leverage here. And it's off. Okay, perfect. Not too bad. I'm just double checking this can to make sure it's closed before I make a big ass mess. Right up there. And my oil is pretty black. That's why I'm changing this out. There we go. I guess he's not. Oh, he's gross. Alright, so that's draining. Let that drain. I will clean up my mess. should be okay. Pretty. Yeah, I guess it looked grosser in the. Anyways. Alright, that's draining. Now we can pull this guy off. I always have my shit. Trying to get this oil filter off. Got these little girl hands. Bruh. Let's see. Let's try this. I guess I can get a big ass wrench in the house. Alright, I'm gonna have to go get a wrench to take that guy off. Because I got these little girl paws. And this guy's almost drained, which is good. Alright, be right back. Da-da-da. Alright, which way is this? That way. Yep, too small. Of course, too big. Whole thing. Okay. Let's see. It's moving. It's slow. Might have. No, damn. Where put this on here last, man? Hercules, man. Hercules. Turn, bitch. Come on. Alright, definitely smashing this can, so it's definitely gotta go off. Ooh, I smashed the crap out of this can. Oh, man. I know they make some spanner wrenches that just go over this pretty easily, but I ain't got one. I should probably get one. Do this stuff. Come on, fool. Let's try. Super tight. And it ain't coming off ever. There it goes. Alright, whew. I think there's a little O-ring of some sort. Yeah, see, you're gonna have more oil coming out. There's more oil coming out there. So, just, yeah. Alright, let's take the Band-Aid off. Ooh-wee. More oil. I guess this wasn't too bad. It just looked horrible in the window. There's a little glass window on that side, and it looked as black as this. That's why I decided to change it, but I guess this isn't too terrible. Okay, there's a little O-ring here. So just stick it here for now. Okay. So that's where the oil filter is. It looks like so, and that's where the drain plug is, and he's still draining. So I guess it didn't look too bad. Get the new stuff here. Okay, here's the oil filter. Here's the oil filter. I have a 2006 GSX-R 600. So here's the part number. Alright, so I'm just gonna open this up. It came with these rings, but I didn't see the rings on this, so I don't know why. Maybe they're still stuck on there though. There's nothing there, so I'm about to find out when I open this. These rings are for that. It's interesting. There's no rings on this. Okay. So here's the new part. Oil filter, genuine. 16510-07J00. Let's see if that matches. Hopefully I bought the right one. Yep, 16510. That's what I pulled off. And there's been a lot of counterfeit parts lately, so this looks. There's no goofy labeling on here, so this should be fine. And the fonts are the same. So, and it came in an OEM package, so it should be fine. With O-rings, you kind of want to lube them a little bit. My hands are filthy, so I'll just. Yeah, probably shouldn't use the old one, but that's fine. Okay. And then as soon as that's done draining, we're just going to screw this on and tighten it. Probably not with this wrench, or probably just my hands. So let's just give it a minute.